My name is April. Massive hailstorm came through, barreling through. My neighbors across the street are also getting a new roof. Scared to death, horrified, had no idea what I was doing. I'm a single female, so I didn't know whether or not somebody was going to take advantage of that fact, because I don't know anything about roofing at all. Zero. I researched them and did some looking into what kind of reviews they had on Google and Yelp, and they had really good reviews. So I just went with my gut. My gut said go with Cornett. Dalton was fantastic. He understood the fact that I had no idea what was going on, and he made sure that everything made sense to me. He put it in language that I understood. If there were any issues, I think I had a board that needed to be replaced. He explained that. He was very thorough, very thorough.
Hi, I'm Dalton with Cornett Roofing, and we replaced this asphalt shingle roof due to hail damage. We worked with April and her insurance company to provide a new shingle roof. The shingles we are using today is an Atlas Pro Lam shingle in Hearst Stone Gray.
As per our company standard, the existing roof was removed to the deck before ice and water shield was installed in all the valleys and around the perimeter. Premium synthetic underlayment was installed on the rest of the roof before the application of the Pro Lam dimensional shingles.
The crew was fantastic. I was very, very impressed with the crew. I offered to buy them lunch. They were like, nope, no need, it's okay. They were cleaning as they went along. So I would highly recommend them to everybody. They worked together as a team. They were great. They were quiet. They weren't up there partying or carrying on or anything. They were wonderful. I was very, very impressed. The cleanup was wonderful. I had no issues whatsoever. They left my whole yard cleaner than what it was when they arrived. I have a neighbor's tree that was overhanging on my roof. They trimmed that without any questions asked or anything, no extra charge. They made it a point to pick up every little piece of paper, a piece of cardboard, all of the nails. Everything has been absolutely wonderful. The last time I had a roof replaced, which was probably 20 years ago, I was finding nails for months and months afterwards, and I haven't found a single one yet. I was very nervous about picking the right colors, and again, because I don't know anything about roofing, there were other parts that I had to pick, flashings and chimney guards and stuff, but Dalton worked with me through that. He sent me samples, via email with pictures, and it's gorgeous. I was not expecting this. I guess it's called a three-dimensional roof. The shingles they have more texture, it looks like. They're not as boring as just regular shingles that are like it's so much better than I ever could have imagined. It's lovely. I'm very pleased. I would definitely recommend Cornett Roofing. They did a wonderful job. I'm incredibly pleased. I can't imagine any other company doing any better than what they did.